Hi guys, it's Nadine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you Grandma Marie's famous farmbreed recipe. In Afrikaans is dit 'n dood-eenvoudige plaasbrood. It is a quick and easy recipe and anyone can make it. If you like this kind of videos, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get started. You will need the following: 7 cups of flour, 10 grams yeast, 60 milliliters of powdered milk, I used Cremora, 60 milliliter butter, 2 teaspoons of salt, 4 teaspoons of sugar, and 2 cups of lukewarm water. Mix everything together. The amount of water will depend on your altitude above sea level. When the dough doesn't stick to your hands anymore, it's ready. Cover it with cling wrap and let it proof until it's double in size. Remember, it needs to proof in a warm place. If it's cold outside, you can even wrap a blanket around it, and if necessary, you can add additional heat by using a hot water bottle. After it has proofed, you knead it down and put it into your prepared bread pan. Roll it to the length of the bread pan. Now it's ready for the second proofing. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. After the second proof, it is time to put it in the oven. Bake for 50 minutes. Glaze with milk, egg, melted butter or sugar water. I used sugar water. Now you know how to make PLAASBROod. If you like this kind of videos, please like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye guys.